We are here at Sprouts. We're here to get some juicing vegetables such as turmeric and ginger. After learning about all the health benefits of turmeric, we're gonna get several pounds of turmeric because we're gonna juice it every day now. That will give us godly health benefits. So Sharon found the turmeric, but it looks like it's sold out, you guys. They've completely sold out of turmeric. I guess the turmeric class we went to caused a huge demand for turmeric. Everybody's sold out. The whole city is sold out of turmeric now. Now we're in dire need for turmeric farmers to start producing more crops.
They're 2 for $6. Should we get 2?
Can't reach the second one? Which one? Mozzarella or cheddar?
Cheddar.
I already read your mind. We have Sharon's all-time favorite, vanillion puff.
It's Latina approved.
Hey, there is a simple standard Sprouts.
My wife wouldn't let me have it. No, she's not here.
So this is the sweetest canary.
Yes, canary is the sweetest. Try that.
It's good. I like it. You guys, we just found out Sprouts has a secret coffee stash. You can come here and get free coffee anytime. It's in the coffee aisle. It's right here. Free coffee sample. What I love about grabbing our dogs from the bistro and coming up to the cafe restaurant is that in the restaurant you have not only ketchup and honey mustard, you also have barbecue sauce and ranch sauce. So it's nice. You get a whole selection. Sauces. I love veggie dogs.
They're like, Victoria's Secret is packaging things in rainbows. And then the girl who made the video is like, where was this energy when you wouldn't accept trans people on the runway? You know what I mean?
They don't want trans people on the runway, but obviously they don't mind selling to trans people. It's all about the dineros. If the trans people will spend money with them, they'll do whatever it takes. But they just won't put trans people on the runway because they don't want their brand to like be known for trans people.
That's why they're like not doing so well, Victoria's Secret, because they're not modernizing.
Right. It seems like they've been doing well for a long time.
Yeah. But now that everyone's starting their own company and everyone has their own underwear line, like before Victoria's Secret was the only cool thing to wear, but now it's like not cool to wear Victoria's Secret anymore.
Because it's too mainstream.
Because they're not inclusive.
Yeah, screw Victoria's Secret. What do you want to say?
If you want to include more diversity, then there should be more Latin people on the runway. Like, has there ever been a Mexican model or an Egyptian model?
Yeah, that's right. Victoria's Secret. It just stayed. For some reason, I couldn't resist. The chicken strip dinner here at IKEA is amazing. It's like so flavorful. It's just right and crispy. I just had to get the chicken strip dinner. Comes with French fries and gravy. If you ask for gravy, it's no extra charge. And the hollandaise sauce also. There you go. Sharon can't resist the French fries either. They're so good. They're crispy and just right. So tell me, what was it like having your parents get divorced? Because I know a lot of kids, yeah, parents got divorced. Mine never got divorced.
Well, to me, it was kind of like my dad died because from the moment they like separated, we stopped seeing him.
Really?
Yeah.
You guys weren't allowed to talk to him?
We were like 8 and 3. There was no like cell phone. There were cell phones, but kids didn't have them. My dad had to go through my mom to like talk to us, and he wasn't like talking to her at all.
He was trying to avoid talking to her, so that's why he didn't talk to you guys either. What is the reason that they broke up?
Because my dad cheated on my mom.